This is the extra G wagon with the fuel tank that I took off to clean. Have a look inside there. That was a lot of dirt I've taken out. Look at all that. That's from the tank. But I'm trying my best to clean it. So it's getting better and better. So I just gotta keep cleaning until it's all nice and clean before I do anything else. So otherwise, it's gonna damage the other parts of the car. But have a look inside there. See that? That's actually getting smaller now. So I'll just gotta keep cleaning until it's all done. So this is the fuel tank for the G wagon. I'm gonna take the sensor. I'm gonna replace that sensor there. It's faulty. New seal in there. Then I'll block everything up, fill it up with water, and see if there's any leak. Clean all this up, and then make sure there's no more leaks whatsoever before I put it back in the car. But right now I'm just cleaning the fuel tank by just using a gurney for now to clean everything inside. And then just keep tipping it, so just keep emptying it out. That. That's the only way to do it. Otherwise you gotta buy a brand new fuel tank. You don't want to do that. Still alright, just gotta clean it. Then we'll go from there. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Hopefully I do part 3 and it'll be nice and clean.